All right. So I got my new Recteq 410 Patio Legend pellet grill and smoker, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing, but there is no space large enough in my house to do this, so we're out in the driveway. I apologize for the appearance, and also I'm pretty scruffy rocking my Crocs and stuff, so I apologize for my outfit. All right, let's see. So Patio Legend 410 pellet smoker, super stoked about this. Comes in two pieces, so you know what, let's get this little guy up here and get this open first. Let's see what's inside. I got some cicadas out there in the tree, so I hope that isn't making too much noise. Alright, looks like hardware to put this boy together. See, not going to open it all the way to see what it is. Looks like, oh yeah, these are my casters and my wheels. Alright, actually, the construction looks pretty simple. So let's hope this one, looks like there's more stuff in here. Robert, and answers my question. It doesn't say whether or not the 410 can handle a brisket on the Recteq website, but yeah, I think I can put a brisket on there. That looks nice. Not too big though. Okay, let's get to the big box. Okay. You know what? I'm going to break the box down around it. Okay. Really, really well packaged. I guess you can't expect anything less for a smoker that's this expensive, but all right. That's super pretty. Okay. See what's inside. Okay. Silica gel. Little dripping cup. That's there we go. Okay. There we go. cool. Put all this back in here. Let's open up this last box and see what we got. I'm pretty sure it's the bullhorn for the handle, but we'll see. The classic Recteq bullhorn. There we go. Place the handle. Looks like I'm wrong. Oh no, there they are. You know, it's the little touches like this that make something, brand really stand out. These things are so cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Or is it that way? Either way, these are awesome. And then probes. Looks like something for the smoker auger over the pellet auger. Yeah, so that's everything. That's everything that comes with the Patio Legend 410. Really excited for this. So I'm going to get this assembled here in a minute, and then I am going to do test fire tomorrow, and we'll put a video of that up. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Cheers.